Okay, so what I want you to do is just fucking count how many times I say "so yeah." Hey guys, it's Unknown Valley here, and today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on well, not really a tutorial, but I'm just gonna be doing well, I'm just gonna be shouting myself out pretty much, because I'm just gonna be showing my, well, I wouldn't say new script, because I made it a little bit ago, like a little while ago, but like I'm still adding stuff to it, so yeah. But I'm kind of running out of ideas, but I do have some other ideas in mind to add to it. So just like check my Instagram stories for like updates on what I add to the script. So yeah, you're just gonna open your terminal, and I would recommend using the script on an actual Kali Linux operating system, because that's what I made the script for, and that's like what I usually use. So yeah, I'm just gonna teach you how to use the script and what it is, and so yeah, just so open up your browser or whatever you want. Yeah, so you just go to this website, github.com, and it probably won't look the same because I'm logged in and stuff, but just you just find the search bar at the top of the thing, just type in hackers dash tool dash kit, hit enter. um, and if you see it, it'll say unknown hacker hackers toolkit. Fucking Twitter open for no reason. If you make sure it's this one, and it's a framework filled with a lot of options and hacking tools you use directly in script or whatever. So the link should look like this, and what you'll do is you'll just copy the link, get out of your browser, antivirus, I don't give a shit, just fucking waste my time. This actually fucking pissing me off, but I just have Metasploit updating right here. But so what you do is you type git clone, and then you would paste in the link, hit enter. It'll say cloning into hackers toolkit. Might take a while because, of course, when I'm recording it likes to fucking be autistic. Yeah, so you just change directory to hackers toolkit, and if you list the directories, I have hdk.py, install.py, and a couple other things. So to run the script, you just run python hdk.py. That's like a shorter version for hackers toolkit hdk. And you want to obviously run the install.py first. If you're on the real Kali Linux operating system, you most likely don't need to run the whole install script, but and it installs like a lot of things, so I don't want to run it because just for time. But I already have everything installed, because obviously, so you just do python hdk.py. It'll clear the screen for you, so you don't need to clear it before you run it, but I'm one of those people that do. I also recommend doing it in like running the script and using it in full screen, because then you can see the whole banner and stuff. But the thing is, like the recording software I use, if I put the terminal in full screen, you just can't see what I'm typing. So I'll like kind of put it like half screen like this. I don't know if that'll work. Hopefully it will, but you can see most of it. So yeah, the hackers toolkit. You type a question mark and hit enter for help. Kali Linux Dragon, created by me on Valley on Instagram. HTK. This is a new banner I actually kind of made a couple days ago. So yeah. So just like, see, as you can see, it says type question mark for help. I'll just type question mark, hit enter, and it'll list all the options I have. I just put a little skull here for, I don't know, cool. So it'll show all the commands you can do. Like this shows every command you can do. I'll just move this. every command in here. So the question mark, display this meshing, clear, it clears the screen for, except for the banner. So if I type clear, see, it'll clear the screen, but it'll like replace the banner. So yeah, type question mark again, and I'm probably not going to go through all these because that'll take too much time. Well, I won't run all of them anyway, but I'll explain what most of them do. So restart, it'll rerun the hacker's toolkit, it'll just restart the script. Reboot, it'll reboot your whole system. Well, that's if you're on Kali Linux, because if you type restart or reboot in your Kali Linux terminal, it'll reboot your whole computer. But I'm not sure with Windows or other operating systems. WinLoad, it does a Windows reverse TCP payload. Creates the file, I'm pretty sure it puts it in your desktop. Not sure, one of those. Command, it lets you execute a command in the terminal. So if you wanted to type, like if you wanted to see what your IP address was, and you just type you just type command, and then it'll prompt you to type in a command. Just type in ifconfig. I guess I'll show that. So I'll just, oh my fucking god, Jesus Christ. That is so, it's, god damn it. I just realized what I did, because since I'm installing shit, it'll say it's a virus. So yeah, I'll just do that later. So if I do command, hit that, and then it'll prompt you. Fuck, yeah, this is gonna be really annoying. Since I don't know, even though I don't fucking know how to explain it, whatever, I'll just try to ignore that. But if it'll prompt you to command, and let's say I want to type, fuck, what the I regret my life choices. So I'll just type ls, and it'll list all the directories in the thing I'm in. So yeah, it's a lot of options, and I'm pretty sure I've tested all of these, and I'm pretty sure all of them work. Pretty sure. So yeah. Oh yeah, I completely skipped Andload. Andload is just an Android reverse TCP payload. If you know what payloads and Metasploit and shit like that are, you'll know what those are. I'll do tutorials on those. MSFCon, I'll just start the Metasploit console. Set, I'll just start set toolkit console. MSF Venom, it'll let you just run MSF Venom commands by yourself. Gmail, it's a Gmail brute force. Instagram brute force. Facebook brute force. If you don't know what brute force is, it's a type of password attack. It's not really brute force, it's a dictionary attack, but whatever. They say brute force on it, so whatever. Fuck it. Black Hydra brute force. Medusa brute force. Host to IP address, you just type in a website or host or whatever, and it'll get you the IP address. In my IP, it'll show you your IP, your gateway, and some other shit. Wi-Fi, it'll just run Wi-Fi. Kind of irrelevant, kind of, to be honest, but whatever. Like, some people might not even know that Wi-Fi is even a thing, so that might help them. Reaver automated, that's actually pretty helpful. I made that. This whole script I made, some of the tools in the script, like Metasploit console, I did not make that, like, obviously, you know. You get my point. I made this script. The thing I'm looking at right now, I made. God damn it. I'm, like, kind of, like, tired of this shit. Like, I already tried to record videos a long time ago, not a long time ago, but earlier today. And I'm just kind of pissed, so I might not sound, I probably do sound like it. I'm getting way off fucking topic, what the fuck. Alright, Wi-Fi, Reaver, Mon, put your device in monitor mode, Mon off, put it out. NetDev, it'll scan for all devices in your network, so all devices on your Wi-Fi, it'll scan for Wi-Fi around you. Spec scan, or specific scan, it'll scan a specific Wi-Fi or whatever network for a handshake or whatever. I have it save results. I'll have an option to save results or not. port. Scan for ports on a host. Pretty simple. Info. It'll do an info gather on a host and also includes the port scan. It'll do system info. It'll show info about your system. MSF. It'll show all Metasploit exploits. MSF pay. It'll show all Metasploit payloads. You can read these. It's not that fucking hard. Just shows all. Yeah. It shows all modules, and then under that it'll just show all modules. Alright, UDP, TCP, SYN, slow L. Those are all DOS attacks. UDP flood. Jesus fucking Christ! What the fuck? So TCP flood, SYN flood, lower stuff. Ping. I mean, it's not really that hard to ping, but I'm not sure if I even did that. I don't even know, because I've never needed to ping a host, really, so I don't think I've tested that, but whatever. Start a multi-handler, just start a multi-handler in Metasploit. Make word list with cup. If you do activate a VPN off stops it. PyDocs, what that'll do, it'll just open, if you run Firefox, it'll just open a website that does a people search and shit. PinGen, it'll generate a router's default pin, not the router itself, but the router's brand. It'll be a default pin. The DAuth attack, a Wi-Fi jammer. You can use it for capturing a handshake or just DOSing or jamming a Wi-Fi. MAC changes MAC address, returns MAC address to normal. Getting really fucking tiring saying all this shit. Our poison. I kind of like I made the name short, so it's kind of weird saying them, but our poisoning. I don't even think it works, to be honest, but whatever. SSL scan for host, make a Metasploit payload of your choice. Crunch, it also makes word list, shows your internet traffic. Alright, so here it says reset. It'll reset your account password. That's like your full and root password. And resu, or however the fuck I would say that. It'll reset your Unix password, like your terminal password. So yeah. Now find the hash, type of a hash. So you type in a hash and it'll tell you what type of hash it is. So WAFWolf checks a web application for firewall. Cloud, it'll do Cloudflare bypass. Brutex, it's auto brute force every service on a host. So it's pretty much an automated version of Medusa, but even like more automated, obviously. Like instead of like choosing a format and shit, it'll just scan everything and brute force everything. It's actually pretty helpful. Met help, it'll show Metinterpreter help. WinByp, it'll do a Windows Defender bypass, not like directly, but it'll send you to a Metasploit module to bypass Windows Defender. Exploit, using Metasploit exploit of your choice. Ah, God. So I'll just run a couple of these. I guess I'll do should I do? I want one that works, because I'm not sure. I don't think I might need to run install again for some of these. Maybe. Because I can't really use any of these on this machine, or this OS, so I guess we'll just do it in info gather, because I know that works. Enter target. Let's just say Facebook.com. So yeah, it'll scan for IP address and shit. And yeah, a lot of shit. So I just canceled it, because why not? And I'll just rerun it real quick. But pretty much I went through everything. I don't see anything else that I would need to show. I guess I'll show the host. I'll just show a couple. Host IP address. That's like pretty IP grab, you enter a host, just say google.com. Let's see, host google.com IP, right there. Let's see. I fucking keep saying let's see all the time. Docs website, files of directory. Okay, I don't want to like do a long lasting one. Just do a Cloudflare bypass. I'll just do facebook.com. There's all those. So yeah, that's the script that I made. Well, this is the script I made. I'm just showcasing it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please use this script if you think it's cool. So, because I kind of want my scripts to get out there, because I'm kind of like a newbie hacker now. Well, not now. Oh yeah, I used to be good, but now, yeah, that makes no sense. But yeah, I'm kind of a newbie hacker, and I want to get known. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm still open for that hand job thing, and then later, more recent video. You can shove a turkey wing up my pussy if you want.